cool, man, this place, really. Gotta jump. We have reached this Nongkhnum river island. We're walking towards the civilization here, where people are parking their vehicles in. And as always, my friend Freddy is there, leading the way. We nearly traveled 100 kilometers. Till the road till the Nongsan is very beautiful. Nice, you can go for maybe 100 plus speed. But after Nongsan, the road was horrible. Surely you must have seen in the initial part of the video. Anyway, the fun is more here. Oh. Don't chase the goats, man. Oh, I thought this is the bridge, man. Oh my god, that's a big one. Welcome to Nongkhnum Island. Yeah, we have reached the Nongkhnum bridge. Now we're gonna cross it. Well, I'm walking on the Nongkhnum bridge now. It's a little shaky. I think I'll be fine. Oh god, this is beautiful. Oh god. Okay, I wish to go to that sand beach. Walking here is great. Oh man, the bridge is too long. It's fun to be here.
You know what you should have?
What, bro? I was thinking I'll bring the fishing rod, okay?
Yeah. Next time we'll come back.
You man, you get up early when first, then you talk about coming early.
No.
My friend gets up very late, okay?
I got up early today, it's just that I had to go to the market.
Oh.
8 o'clock I was out.
The place is really beautiful. That's the bridge we crossed just now.